Hey, I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Christmas spiral ham with a FireBall Glaze. You're going to love this one. So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. All right, so we've got a spiral ham. We're going to take this and cook this on K4L drum cooker today, and we use this glaze. But first, we're going to start seasoning this up with our rub so we get it to put this bad on the grill. What I'm going to use right here is a Slabs Stephy style, give me a little more added flavor to it. Let's put some seasoning on it. We're just going to put on here just for the bark. It's kind of the whole process we're going as a bark creation. So as you can see, we've got this spiral ham seasoned up. So now what I'm gonna do is take my thermoworks signal here, I'm gonna put the probe inside it, and what I'm gonna do is cook this until I get an internal temperature of 130 degrees. I'm cooking this on the K4L drum cooker today. It's a charcoal can cooker. We're cooking this at 300 degrees. So let's get this bad boy on the grill. Let's get this party started. Man, that looks good, don't it? I think that area looks pretty. Right now it's reading 136 degrees in here. We'll pour this bad boy off, we're gonna put our glaze on it. Let's get it off the smoker. So as you can see right here, we just took the ham off the smoker. We had, like I said, internal temperature around 136 degrees. The reason I'm taking it off is I'm gonna set it this way here. Before I was cooking it with the spirals down, that way it didn't fall apart. Now we're going to lean it up. I'm going to start separating this, make our glaze, and pour our glaze into it. Let's make our glaze to start with. Our glaze consists of a half a cup of FireBall whiskey, a half a cup of maple syrup, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then 1 full cup of orange juice. Put that in the pan and let it simmer to kind of reduce it down until we get the thickness we're looking for our ham. Now, while this is going on, we're going to start working on our spiral ham to be ready for our glaze. Now, I'm going to take my ham I'm going to start taking my slices I've got and start separating them out. Now, this little spatula you've got, I'm going to take it right in between the pieces. Work my way around. We're just carving them out. Boy, I tell you what, that cinnamon whiskey, does smell good now. I love using bourbon and alcoholic stuff for glazes. I think it adds a good depth of flavor to it. And she is rolling pretty good, ain't she? All right, so we've got it. So see what we've done presentation-wise. I feathered it out. It looks really cool, don't it? Look at that. Don't that look good? All right, so now we start taking our glaze and go over the top of this ham. You ain't got to use all of it. You use some of it for a dipping sauce if you want to. That's what we got. So that's why I put this in this rack here. Now, I'm gonna set this right back on the smoker for about 10 minutes. Allow it to set this glaze onto this ham. So let's get back on the smoker. So as you've seen right here, we've cooked this spiral ham. We cooked it on a K4L drum cooker. Great process. The cook went flawless. Can't complain with it. It stayed steady at 300 degrees the entire time. Awesome cooker. I'm gonna show you a more detailed review about that one later on, but right now it's too hot. Anyhow, we've let it rest. We've taken some pictures. Now let's taste it. I'm gonna come right here and pull me a piece right out the middle of it. Pull it apart. Now you taste that cinnamon, everything. That there is delicious, boys and girls. That's how you do it. That's how you cook a spiral ham with a FireBall Glaze, Elite Barbecue Smoker style there. And it's dang good. With all that being said, we're gonna say the blessing, go inside and eat. But first, we gotta let Dolly try it. Come on, girl. You've been begging for this all day. Come on, Dolly. Come on. Another one? Come on. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, you will too. Now say the blessing, let's go eat some supper. Lord, bless the food by receive. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. See y'all next time. Appreciate you watching. Check this recipe out. It's dang good.